Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off emergency location service in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for it, how to turn it off. We need to go to settings, then we are looking for safety and emergency options right here, and here we have emergency location service. By default this option is turned on, but if you want to turn it off, simply tap it once and now it's turned off. What does it do? Here we have explanation what exactly does it do and why it should be turned on. But if you want to turn it off, we can do it. No need to save, back out, and it's now turned off. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.